Today, January 25, 2026, Sapporo in Japan, the city on Hokkaido Island, is going through one of the heaviest and most impressive snow periods of this winter. By morning, around 35 inches of fresh, fluffy snow had fallen, burying streets to waist level for adults and piling up even higher in some spots. The blizzard reduces visibility almost to zero. Temperatures stay between 18 and 26 degrees Fahrenheit, and winds gusting up to 36 miles per hour whip the snow into a full-on winter storm frenzy in Japan. Transportation is seriously disrupted. Trains and buses face major delays or stop completely. Personal cars get stuck in deep drifts, and main roads turn hazardous and nearly impassable without heavy equipment. Despite all the challenges, the people of Sapporo keep moving and are actively preparing for one of the world's most famous winter events, the Sapporo Snow Festival, running from February 4th to 11th in Japan. Crews are already building massive snow sculptures and ice figures that will become incredible works of art. This is classic Hokkaido in Japan. The annual average snowfall exceeds 130 inches, but January 2026 has been exceptionally generous with snow and harsh conditions. Locals are filming how familiar streets turn into white tundra, trucks and buses sink into snowbanks, and pedestrians wade through waist-deep powder right in the heart of Japan.